Okay, so depending on the roof that you have at your house, you will want to make sure that you have the proper attachments to keep yourself safe on the roof. So there are lots of different types of attachments. So the T attachment here, generally used on either a COLORBOND roof to tie yourself in if you're throwing a rope over from one side to the next. You've also got a ladder safe for a tin roof. So again, that's how you secure your ladder to the roof before you start your work. You've got its bigger brother, so when you are actually working on the roof, it becomes an instant access point for you. If you start getting to 2 stories and above, I say above, this is a shock absorbing harness, so if you were to actually come off the roof, this will extend out and absorb that fall shock so you don't snap in two. Again, I only use these on 2 stories or above, and they have to be a high 2-story because it will open up by about 2 meters, so you don't want to use that on a single-story roof. Again, depending on your environment, hard hats, eye protection, ear protection if you're going to be drilling. You've only got one set of eyes and ears, look after them. I hope that's given you a little bit of insight. This is what we do when we go to our customers' homes to make sure everything is safe, secure, and that we don't cause any damage to their home. Please try and do it at home yourselves.